Hello everybody, getting close to Christmas. Oh, here's some birds. Hi guys, want a piece of bread? Huh? You can get that. Let's see. We got any fish around here? Look down here in the water. Looks like there might be some fish down there, huh? All over the place. But what I want to show you is what the winter winds have done to the old tomato plant. Boy, it's just whipped it silly. There's still a lot of green tomatoes left on it, but by golly, been pretty amazing. Strong winds. It's 80 degrees and nice. Here's a tomato plant, a new plum tomato that's just coming up and got all kinds of fruit on it. And ginger looks good, and basil looks good. And these tomatoes will go ahead and ripen. They sure are pretty up here. And the seagulls are hanging out. Look at here, going up my ladder. It's getting to be like a jungle on this boat. But come on up here and let me show you what I'm up to. I've been using the dirt and planting. And I've been transplanting. I think that's parsley, but it may be it's not. And over here, there's one of those little seed things where I've got a whole bunch of seeds started. And then the ones that's getting bigger, I've been planting them down here. And here's a whole bunch of them up here. There's tomatoes, and there's that avocado that's doing so well. And then up here on top of the shower, we got a whole bunch more plants. And there's basil and cilantro. All kinds of. Here's a red mangrove starting up. And then there's some star fruit and some egg fruit and more avocados blooming. And these Roma, these plum tomatoes will be getting ripe pretty soon. Nice garden, lots of plants. And all these plants are destined to go to the food pantry. I like to give them away, and folks love getting them. Oh, and there's a noisy seagull up there hollering at us. He wants some bread too. He'll have to wait. So getting ready for Christmas in paradise, and all is well. Hope to see all y'all soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.